Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Motor Geek. So today we are going to take a look at the newly launched Mahindra Thar, and this car has a lot of expectations from our Indian customers as there's a separate fan base for this particular SUV. Also, this car happens to be our favorite SUV for a very long time, and with this new update the looks of the Thar has been changed completely with a new design language which looks similar to the Jeep Wrangler. So in order to know more about this Thar, let's get into the video. So Mahindra Thar was first launched on the year 2010, and for the past 10 years there were several updates being given to this car. At first, this new 2020 Thar gets a completely new design language, and there's no doubt that this car looks stunning for sure, and definitely this car will be a head turner and attract everyone on the roads than the other luxury cars like Benz, BMW, Volvo, Jaguar or Audi. So this car will definitely be an attention-seeking vehicle. So the front look has been updated with a new design which almost looks like a Jeep Wrangler and therefore giving a typical SUV stance and looks. The headlights have been designed on a normal round design which aren't LEDs and happens to be a normal halogen setup. And the indicators are given over here along with the DRLs, and still the indicators happens to be a normal bulb setup. And at the lower part you get a round shaped fog lamps which are still a normal halogen setup. And the grille happens to be a 6-spoke design with huge holes through which you can almost see the radiator of the car, which gives a very good ventilation and there's no chances of the engine getting overheated. And the bumpers have been finished on the black color and the silver color treatment being given at the center, which reduces the visual bulk of the car, and the Thar's name has been boldly embedded on it. And the wheel size happens to be a 255/65 R18 inches, which is massive and it is apt for the size of this car, and would be very much suitable for off-roading where you don't need to worry about anything as this car is set to conquer any type of terrains. And those 5-spoke design alloys look super dope in this car, and the alloys have been finished in the gunmetal color giving a rugged look. But this car gets ventilated disc brakes only on the front wheels, whereas you get the drum brakes on the rear wheels. The Mahindra Thar side profile looks boxy in terms of design, giving a proper SUV or a Jeep stance and look. And compared to the older version Thar, this car looks fresh and bold and the design feels very neat. And the car's lower part has been finished in full black color cladding that gives a rugged look to the vehicle. And the size of the wheel arches are massive in size. In fact, the gap between the wheel and arch is almost 1 feet. So while off-roading this car, it would be very useful. And the car's side view mirrors are finished on black color hard touch plastics. Also, the door handles are being finished on hard touch plastics. So it would have been better if it has been finished on a body color or a chrome sort of treatment. And this car happens to be a hard top variant, so the top has been provided on a hard material. Also, there's a soft top and a convertible option too. And in this hard top variant, the rear windows are fixed and cannot be opened. So it would have been better if there is an opening feature being provided. And also there's footrest being provided with black color hard touch materials. And this is the Thar's rear end. And as said before, with this new update, the Thar's design looks very fresh and bold, and the rear end also resembles the design of a Jeep Wrangler and looks quite impressive. And the full-size spare wheel has been fitted on a hanging type, and the tail lights have been designed on a square shape along with the Thar name being written on it. And also there's reflectors being placed on both the lower corners. And at the lower part, the bumpers are finished on black color, and in order to reduce the visual bulk, there's silver color treatment being provided too. So let's open the backside door, and as seen on the older model Thar, the door opens on sideways, but one main change is that the car's rear windshield can be opened separately, which is a cool and nifty feature, and the boot space isn't that much, but if you fold the rear seats you will get a very big boot space. And this is the engine bay of the car. This is a 2.2 liter Mech-Hawk CRDE diesel engine which produces 130 horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque. And this is the car's front dashboard which looks rich and giving out very good appeal. And it is way more better than the older version Thar. Still there are hard touch plastics being used, but since it has been finished on full black color, it returns an appealing premium car looks. And the center console design too looks very superb, and when compared to the older Thar, there's a lot of improvement on the quality levels. And the power windows controls are placed on the center console, and at the rear you get 2 cup holders. And the car we are currently looking at is the manual variant, So this car has a 6-speed manual transmission along with 4-wheel drive differential gear setup. And the AC vents have been finished on a round design with chrome lining on the outer part, giving a premium appeal. And this car has a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system which has quite a lot of features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, aux, USB, and also this car has tire pressure monitoring system. And on the dashboard you get Mahindra Thar's signature silver color badging which mentions the serial number of this particular car manufactured. So this car is a 315th production car. And the quality of the door panels have been really improved a lot when compared to the previous model, and it has been finished on full black color along with some hard touch plastics, and still even though you can find some soft material treatment. And the size of the door pockets are a bit small, but still 1-liter bottles would fit very well. And these are the car seats being provided on full black color leather material and gives a premium look to the interiors. And the seats are very comfortable and cushioned, and you can adjust the recline angle of the seat manually. And right now we are at the rear seats, and first thing to be noted that you have quite a lot of kneeroom and legroom on offer, but there are two types of seats being provided. The one on the right side is a full-sized comfortable rear seat, but on the left there's a mid-size seat being provided. So the full-size seat is very comfortable to be seated, but on the left side seat the underthigh support is pretty decent, but the back support is quite small, which is comfortable only to an extent. But other than that, the space is a lot more than what you would expect. And you can adjustable headrest being provided. And the rear seat has also a hand support given to the passenger along with roll cage too. And the speakers are mounted on the rooftop, and in the center there's a LED light tube being placed. And this is the car steering wheel. The fit and finish is extremely superb, being finished on full black color, and the steering mounted controls too being provided. Also, this car has cruise control function, which is quite impressive. So this Mahindra Thar has been designed so well, and it is way more different than the previous generation model. In fact, I would say that this car is on the next level, and this car will definitely attract a lot of buyers. And coming to the price, this car has been priced very attractively. The base model AX variant ex-showroom price is around 9.8 lakh rupees, and the car that we are currently seeing is the top-end LX diesel hot top variant, and it has an ex-showroom price of 12.95 lakhs. So if you're looking for a proper rugged SUV, then the Mahindra Thar is the right pick for you. And still this car has quite a lot of features like traction control, wheel hole assist control, anti-roll mitigation feature, dual front airbags, ESP, EBD and much more. And I will explain that features in a detailed drive review. So that's all everyone. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys next video.